Have you ever wondered how Arduino detects when a button is pressed? In this video, we'll build a simple project that allows a push button to control an LED while learning one of the most important concepts in Arduino programming, digital input. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to CircuitForge. In our previous videos, we learned how to blink LEDs, understand Arduino code, and control multiple LEDs. Today, we're taking the next step by allowing Arduino to receive input from the real world using a push button. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build your own button-controlled LED circuit and understand how Arduino reads user input. For this project, you'll need Arduino Uno, breadboard, push button, LED, 220 ohm resistor, 10K ohm resistor, jumper wires. If you have these components ready, let's start building the circuit. Now, connect all the components according to the circuit diagram shown on the screen. Take a moment to complete the wiring, and feel free to pause the video if needed. Once your circuit is ready, let's jump into the Arduino code and see how the project works. Now, open the Arduino IDE and enter the following code. Upload the program to your Arduino board. Now let's understand how this code works. First, we create two variables. One variable stores the button pin number, and the other stores the LED pin number. Inside the setup function, we configure the button pin as an input and the LED pin as an output. The setup function runs only once when the Arduino starts. Next comes the loop function. The loop function runs continuously for as long as the Arduino is powered. Inside the loop, Arduino reads the current state of the button using the digitalRead function. The value returned is stored in a variable called buttonState. When the button is pressed, Arduino receives a high signal. When the button is not pressed, Arduino receives a low signal. The if statement checks whether the button state is high. If it is high, the LED is turned on. Otherwise, the LED is turned off. Since the loop runs thousands of times every second, the LED responds immediately whenever the button is pressed or released. Let's test the project. I'll press the push button. As you can see, the LED turns on instantly. Now I'll release the button. The LED turns off. The project is working exactly as expected. And that's it. We've successfully built a push-button controlled LED project using Arduino. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to CircuitForge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.